Baby Shark and the Missing Pearl Mystery. Hello to my artist friends! Welcome to our underwater adventure! How are you today?
He'll catch the bad, keeping all the fishes glad. Diving deep, so strong and bold. Baby Shark's a story told of a fish who loves the sea, keeping it safe, wild and free. In his boat he sails away, looking for a fish to play. But if there's trouble, don't you fret, Baby Shark will fix it yet. Baby Shark, he loves to play in the ocean all day long. With his friends he swims and dives, happy as a summer song. Baby Shark, a fishy friend, on his tail the flag does bend. He's a hero, brave and true, keeping ocean safe for you. With his stripes so bright and bold, Baby Shark is brave and bold. In his shiny little boat, he patrols the ocean float. Daddy Shark, so big and strong, protects his family all day long. With Uncle Shark they watch and keep the ocean safe while we all sleep. Baby Shark, he loves to play in the ocean all day long. With his friends he swims and dives, happy as a summer song. Baby Shark, a fishy friend, on his tail a flag does bend. He's a hero.
Baby Shark, Daddy Shark, and Uncle Shark. They are the ocean police. They are ready to help anyone in need solve mysteries. How interesting is that?
Baby Shark is brave and bold.
Well done! We are almost done. Now to make it look even better, we'll trace the line to make them bold. And let's color in the eyes to make them black.
Uncle Shark, they watch and keep the ocean safe while we all sleep.
And now it's time to color, my favorite part. First, let's start with the baby shark. You know what color should we use, right? Yellow! Excellent!
Baby Shark's a cop, it's true. With his net he'll catch the bad, keeping all the fishes glad. Diving deep, so strong and bold, Baby Shark's a story told.
Kids, if it feels hard, that just means you're learning something new and exciting. So take a deep breath and try again.
For a fish to play, but if there's trouble, don't you fret, Baby Shark will fix it yet. Baby Shark, he loves to play.
Let's use our red color for his mouth.
With his friends he swims and dives, happy as a summer song. Baby Shark, a fish.
Let's move on to his police hat. What color are police hats? Do you know that? Oh, perfect! Of course, blue.
With his stripes so bright and bold.
Do you have a blue color? I have! Here we go!
Boat, he patrols the ocean float.
I think it's better to use orange for the badge.
All day long, with Uncle Shark they watch and keep.
Amazing job! Now, let's move on to Daddy Shark. What color is Daddy Shark? Amazing! Blue! Like the color of the ocean. Let's color his face and body.
Shark, a fishy friend. On his tail a flag does bend. He's a hero, brave and true, keeping oceans safe for you. With his stripes so bright and bold,
Let's color the police hat. We are going to use our dark blue color.
he patrols the ocean float. Daddy Shark, so big and strong, protects his family all day long. With Uncle Shark, they watch and keep the ocean safe.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Your creativity is what makes it unique. I believe in you. You're my best friend. Ta-da! Excellent! Who's next? It's Uncle Shark. Yes, Uncle Shark. We are going to use a very special green for his body and face. Yes, look at this color. I like this color. What about you? Finally, his police hat will be dark blue with an orange badge. I love the way we color the ocean police. It's perfect. We are almost done. For the final step, let's add a little shading to make it pop. And done! We did it! If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you soon!